guys, welcome in and/or welcome back to my channel, Home with Christy T. I'm Christy T, interior designer, content creator, and owner of Sincerely Home Designs, LLC. As many of you guys know, if you watched last week's video, we just moved into our new home and there's a lot of planning that's going to each space. So today we're going to go ahead and focus on planning out my office. So let's get started. So before we get started in today's video, I really want to give a quick shout out to Home with CC over on Instagram. Now, I've been really searching for inspiration for my room in my office here, and I really loved her space that she has created, which she has named Tropical Maximalism. Now, I've been looking for the maximalist style, and I really want to do something along the Barbie core style as well as like kind of maximalist as well. And landing on her page really gave me the inspiration that I need and helped me to find the search terms that I was looking for when it came to designing this space. So I highly recommend you go over and check out her page over on Instagram at Home CC. I'll leave it down here so that you guys can check it out, and I'll try to leave it down in the link below as well. So since our furniture hasn't arrived yet, now is the perfect time to take measurements of the room. Taking measurements is usually something I ask my clients to do prior to our consultation. This ensures that I have a full scope of the space that we will be working in. During this phase is also a good time to go ahead and take before photos of your space. That way you can have those beautiful reveals for afters, and depending on if you're planning to update your portfolio like I am, then obviously having before and after photos are a good choice as well. So now we know the size of the room, we can get to do one of my favorite things, which is sourcing inspiration for the space. Now, I usually tell my clients to narrow this down to 4 inspo photos and 4 colors that they for sure want in the space. This just kind of helps me to help them narrow down their design style and key elements that they want to include in their home. Now for me, I am struggling a little bit with this, so let me show you. So this is my office inspo board that I've created on Pinterest. If you'd like to go over and check it out, I'll leave it linked down below for you guys if you're looking for inspo as well. And like I've mentioned already, and if I haven't, I'm stuck between 2 different styles. So I'm stuck between wanting to do a pink monochromatic look or a pink mixed with blue, mixed with teal, mixed with yellow, mixed with orange kind of look. So I'm definitely not sure what I want to do. I am going to put up a poll on Instagram. It'll probably be after this video is posted, but I want to show you guys some of my inspo for today. So I finally narrowed it down to 7 colors and 6 inspo photos, which I think is a good merge between all of the photos I had for options. And I really think I was struggling with this because of me trying to do the maximalist style. I definitely want to incorporate lots of colors in here, but I think I was also just stuck between trying to do the monochromatic look or trying to combine all of these colors together. Now, what you see me doing here is going into Milanote, which is what I use to create mood boards and inspiration boards to kind of gather all of my ideas together. This is going to give me a little bit more clear picture of what I'm looking for when it comes to planning and designing the room. Now that we have a general color scheme, let's go ahead and create our first 2D sketch. I like to do this over in Procreate. This just kind of helps me to, get clean lines, erase backgrounds, and all of those other things. You'll also see me later on go ahead and use Canva to remove backgrounds as well, which is another option that I highly recommend if you're looking to do that. But I really like to use Procreate because it lets me kind of envision the whole thing come together. I don't know how to describe it. It just really helps to envision the space before I can go into 3D rendering it, because 3D renders take a lot more time. So 2Ds are definitely better, and you can kind of go ahead and play with the objects that you're looking to actually put into the room. Now, like I said, this is a first rough draft sketch of what this space will look like. I probably will revise this a couple more times before I land on a final idea for the space, but this is like the first draft. Comment down below, what do you guys think of this, and do you guys want to see more videos like this? I do a lot of this, and I've obviously sped this up so that you guys aren't set through the several hours it takes me to do this, but I really enjoy doing this. It's honestly very therapeutic, and I hope you guys are enjoying it as well. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need.
Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I do hope you enjoyed coming along with me today during the planning phase of planning out my Barbie core / tropical maximalist inspired office. Make sure to head and check out my website, sincerelyhomedesigns.com, if you are in need of any interior design services, and go ahead over to Instagram at homeofchristyt and hit that like and follow down below so that you guys can be prepared for next week's video. We have a lot of planning coming up for this new house, and obviously not every room will be a maximalist style, but this for sure is going to be the fun room, and the rest of my house is going to be a lot more calmer and more neutral. So definitely stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.
You always make